Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting with the channel. I am Noha. Today I will show you how to make a crochet square motif and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. To make that a crochet motif I will use a wool yarn and hook number 3mm as shown now. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a slip knot as usual. Then make 8 chains and close them with a slip stitch to make a ring. Then I will make 3 chains and make double crochet into same stitch as shown now. Then make 7 chains and skip next chain and make 2 double crochet into the next into same stitch. Then I will repeat that 3 times. Here I will make 2 double crochet into that stitch and repeat that 3 times, so I will make 7 chains again and skip next stitch, then make 2 double crochet into the next into same stitch. I will repeat that to have 4 spaces of 7 chains as shown now, then close with slip stitch to finish that round. I will make it and I'll come back. I will start round 2. I will make slip stitch as shown now, then make single crochet into that space and make half double crochet into same space, then make 2 double crochet as shown now. And make 2 triple crochet into same space. Then make double triple crochet stitch into that space, then repeat the next half, so I will make 2 triple crochet stitches, then make 2 double crochet stitches and make half double crochet and finish with single crochet into that space as shown now to finish that flower petal. With that shape. Now I finish that petal with that shape. Then I will make 2 chains to move to the second space and repeat with the same sequences for next 3 spaces. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will start round 3. I will make 10 chains as shown now. Then make double crochet into 2 chains here. Here I will make double crochet behind that petal. I will make double crochet here into that space between 2 petals from the behind. With the shape. Then I will make 7 chains, 7 chains, and make double crochet into next 2 chains between 2 petals from the behind again, and repeat that 2 times again, and close with 7 chains. Then slip stitch as shown now. I will repeat with same sequences. That is last 7 chains. I will close with slip stitch into 3rd chain from the beginning, but I will close with the red color. I contrast color to red as shown now, and close with slip stitch to finish that round. Then I will start round 4. I will make half double crochet into that space of 7 chains as shown now. I will make half double crochet, then make 7 double crochet as shown now. Then make 3 chains and make another 7 double crochet, then finish with half double crochet into same space as shown now. With the shape, I will repeat with the same sequences for next 3 spaces as shown now. With the shape, I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished that a crochet motif with that shape, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.